Hey guys, welcome back again. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Xbox error code 0x80072EE7 on your Windows. So for this guys, I will show you 5 methods for fix this problem. First one guys, check the internet connection. Click on this network icon and check here internet connection. And the second method, check the Xbox server status. So for this guys, open the browser and type in the search word down detector, then hit enter on your keyboard. First select here guys your country like this, and the next type in the search box Xbox and press the enter. Find the Xbox service, scroll down, click on this Xbox. So finally guys, you can check here your Xbox server details. You can check here all details, problems and issues, and also you can check the Xbox official Facebook and Twitter and website. This is the second method. The third method is restart the Xbox console and router. The fourth method, change the DNS server address. So for this guys, open the control panel, click on view by and select the category. Click on network and internet and click on network and sharing center. Now select here change adapter settings. Right click on your using network icon like Wi-Fi, right click here and select the properties. Select here guys internet protocol version 4 and the next click on properties. Now in this second section, select the second one option, use the following DNS server address. Type here 8888 and 8844. After this click on OK. Click on OK. Close this and must and should restart your computer. Hopefully guys this will fix your problem. The fifth and final method, re-download your profile on Xbox. So hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.